The birds are teasing my dog again. So there are the birds. Come on up. There's the dog. Come on. You coming up? And he's been crying because they're not listening to him. Yeah. Poor baby. Koda. Come on. What's the matter? Use your indoor voice, boy. Too late. Indoor voice is gone. Come on. Koda. Yeah. Energizer bunny. Yep. You know, I wonder in a former life if they actually took him hunting or something, or if this is just all instinct. I would say instinct because all he's doing is yelling at them, and springers are supposed to spring the game, aren't they? And he's doing his best. Koda, where are you going? Huh? They are. It's just driving him nuts. Yet another fun Sunday. And clearly I need to actually clean up and do the laundry. As we stop for a scratch. Hey, Koda. Are you done? Huh? Nope. Oh, and he's come around the back to see there. See? Never mind the snacks, and there he comes up. Get a different viewpoint, and the tail is still going. That's just for you, Lynn. All right. That's today's edition of Birds.